Hi, I'm Siddhartha Serene and we will discuss a few tips and tricks so that you can crack the Mphasis exam. While preparing for the written test, the candidates should focus on attending as many aptitude questions within the stipulated time. Candidates are advised to refer books such as Quantitative Aptitude by R.S. Agarwal, Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal, etc., which aids them to perform well with the written test. One can easily solve this section by practicing and updating knowledge. Practicing with previous year questions papers will help the aspirants to get a fair idea regarding the test pattern. In the interview round, the candidate's technical knowledge is analyzed. Apart from this, one's communication skills, decision-making proficiency, and confidence level is also examined. So take care. So, if you value the content of our video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.